shit's dirty, bro, but I'm gonna disconnect the negative one. What is this one? Alright. What do I need? I'm gonna need this. Down here. Easy. Yep, easy peasy. Probably too easy. What you gonna answer? Roll up.
I get a long hair.
No.
This nigga said no. You gonna get comfy.
You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna watch my YouTube video right now.
Probably needed 11, bro. Got some weird sizes. I need a deep socket actually. But
You got the wrong side.
yeah.
How you gonna go to the camera, show them the size, and
Nah, that's the right size, Scott. My shit is different. That's the right size. My shit is different.
his Jenny's different.
Yeah, mine's is different. Yeah. Mine is different. See what I'm saying? That's the right size. Mine is different. Alright, disconnect this shit. Boom, disconnected. Alright, now let's go to the trunk. So I gotta take this off. Snap that bitch off. Like that, bam. And I'm gonna take the whole light off because I can't see shit. That's right.
So basically, unplug the battery so you don't have any electricity running to the car. Then you take this filter off, cover, pull out the wiring. Then you undo the 3 bolts that's right here. This is 1. You have another one.
There's 3 bolts?
2. Yeah. 1, 2,
I think no
3.
more than me, God damn it.
You got 3 bolts to take off. Then you get this whole head, push it out, clip it, and then you just put the wire from there. You seen the damn video? Watch it. She's like, I only got 2 because I'm missing a bolt. I'm like, oh.
And they got hot, huh? He said, because he's missing the bolt.
Yeah, she was missing a bolt.
Oh, and I just dropped mine.
Now you missing a bolt. Now y'all twinsies.
Wow.
Over here twinning and shit.
Damn it. No, Papa. Got it. We ain't twins, bitch.
I got out to your mom.
Okay.
Yeah, somebody working on this thing.
Well, are these screws aluminum? Or you think they're metal?
So you guys, there's 1 bolt right here, 2 bolts right there, and the 3rd bolt right there. Let's do those.
God damn it.
And then we got another car right over here, another Pikes car. Damn, she did hers in 6 minutes.
How long you take mine right now?
5 minutes.
Nah, you know she did cuts, nigga.
She did good.
You talking about?
She did good.
Alright. Nigga, got me fucked up. Is he rolling?
Yeah.
Better be rolling. Hey.
Yeah. I thought you was watching the YouTube channel. I thought you was watching the YouTube videos and shit.
He is?
Nah, she's up. I'm on there for Brinkley, just an era.
I watched that hoe.
I bet.
Alright.
Maybe, huh?
Got some 3 bolts off.
Take the bolts off. You already unclip it. Clip that. Take the tail lights out.
Alright, now you see this? Gotta pull this gasket out. All the way out. All the way out. And now I gotta find which one to cut, because I don't know. Alright, let me see. Hold on.
You said, I don't know.
I don't, nigga.
This nigga.
Or you find it for me.
I got you.
He's gonna find out, but let y'all know what I done did now. I done took the whole damn light out. You know, with a ratchet. or socket, whatever.
You gotta go down.
We got 34 of them. Shit.
You got the
Hell yeah. But I'm gonna need you to hold this. I see. Damn, that's what I transferred right. Alright. But you hold it?
We can do it.
Alright, we're gonna get this. These are key essentials right here, bro. This is what y'all need. If y'all ain't got this, go get it. It's about $6. It's no for auto swing. It's no for auto store. About $6. I don't know. You know what I'm saying?
One of these, so I only have 3 on there. But once you guys have that unscrewed, go ahead and unplug the taillights.
Damn, we did that.
She said a camera right there inside the trunk.
And once you've done that, go ahead and take the gasket off so you can see the wiring better. And then this is what we're working with here. From there, you're going to want to remove the cap and take the rest of the wiring out. So then you'll see you have 3 different sets of wires. So the wires that we're going to be working with are going to be on this set here with the black, yellow, green, and red. You're going to be snipping this green wire, which is on the other side of the connector.
This one, right?
For that, you'll get some wire cutters and some electrical tape to turn that
She's
off.
cutting off the green one.
You'll go in
With that one, she's cutting off the green one.
Right here?
and cut the wire.
Yeah, I'm
Now I'm just going to
So you're gonna cut this green one. Cut this green one, right? You know, we're professionals, you know? I hope this is goddamn green wire, bro. If it ain't this green wire, I'd be fucking sick, bro.
Sorry, you can always strip it and put it all back together again.
That's why I gotta do it fucking evening. If I don't do it evening, it's fucked.
Do you want to take a smoke break, sir?
Yes, I wanna do it while I'm taking a smoke break.
Oh, who's this nice guest?
I'm just a fellow neighbor. Willing to help anybody and
Hey, where'd you
anybody.
get this from? Tastes funny.
From your local market.
Nigga smoking oregano.
That's that
Some
skunk.
Italian
And I
smoking.
clipped it. Come check it out. Those are the ones I clipped. I hope it works. If it doesn't, I'll let y'all know.
Electrical tape.
Yeah.
You supposed to have everything. Pow, 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 pow. Sitting right up there waiting for you.
Hey, this is a Clutch Beats exclusive, bro.
This is how he wants
Produced by goddamn, directed by Jordan Matthews.
Yeah, feel directed by me. Everything. Pow, pow, pow. Set up. Ready to go.
You know that's some EA shit.
Yeah, look at his license plate.
Now, what I need you, Brody, to do is hold that piece. No, yeah, right there, yeah. Hold it tight, tight, grip it. All right. All right.
Nigga turned to a fucking coach.
Now, you know, kiss that bitch like this. Look, boom. Put that corner in first, boom, and roll it up, 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 like you do that dope. Roll it up, roll it up, roll it up. Squeeze it at the end. Wow. So do that.
Or you can just do a little plastic cover. Heat shrinker.
Nigga, do you think we got heat shrink money?
No,
we got-
we live in the ag.
Yeah, so, you know what I'm saying?
We got niggas with fucking benches in their front yard. Fucking picnic tables in their front yard. Nigga, look, this how they park.
This is how they work. Yeah, we hungry.
We eating pizza, guys? Matching on pizza?
I know Clutches too, he been eating gas station pizza.
Wings?
I mean, wings too.
Nigga, wings too. Type of wings too.
Hold on, boss. I'm really focused right now, cool.
I ate sushi last night. Fucked me up today.
I have sushi, oh, big baller.
Raw sushi.
Big
Rotation.
baller.
Whatever that shit is.
All right, check it out. Not the best wire management, but you know, I'm not an electrician. So, we're just gonna stuff it all back in there, like so. And, keep getting up in here, man. Keep getting up in here, man.
Stuff it back up,
Stuff it.
just like you stuffed the girl.
And put the gasket back in there hard, bro. You gotta stuff it. Put your thumb in that booty hole. Cut! I'm just playing. Alright. Now, I wanna make sure you put this gasket back on, cause
Oh, you do have that fancy shit too.
if you don't put the gasket on, you're fucked.
You just trying to put the other one?
Yeah. Bow. 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 Take a hit. Nigga, where'd you come from? You sweating like a bitch. You're not even sweating.
Why did everybody speak?
That's EA.
This is like the speeding zone over here. Everybody speed over here and get in the accident right around the corner.
Me.
Not me. I ain't never been in an accident over here.
Nigga, you
Nah, I haven't been
had
in
black
over here.
chicks. You had black chicks
Oh,
starting
that was
to
in
beat
a
your
Honda.
ass.
That was in a Honda. Yeah, they tried.
They tried, but he locked them doors.
Nah, nigga, I just took the fuck off. The bitch was trying to grab onto the door. I would have dragged her ass with it.
Took off.
She lucky I had
I would
shut
have
the door.
grabbed her, snatched her, overdosed her. Cut that. White pencil.
It was two big bitches, bro.
Oh, that's
Like,
ready
they
to
was big
fight.
bitches.
They was like, oh yeah, this is some good meat for us.
Like, bro, they had some
good
KFC on the
practice.
side. Like, they had their cuts and shit. They were eating
Eat good.
on the highway. Shit, then what everybody else said just took off. But I was in standstill traffic. And they recorded it too. Yeah, it was kind of fun. That's why I drove over. Then they got behind me. But the only, look, bro. The only thing that was fucked up with their car, they had a little hole
So you hit them.
right there. Yeah, because they brake checked the fuck out of me.
Okay, but after that, what?
Nothing. They tried to pull me out the car. I was like, I can fix that. Easy, no problem. They're like, no, where's your insurance? I'm like, I ain't got insurance. And they're like, you don't? No, we're going to wait till the police go here. I was like, no, you can wait. I'm not waiting. So I tried to get in my car.
Let's do a time lapse.
I tried to get in my car, and then they